Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Isuzu D-Max SX dual cab ute, stock reference number 5762. This shape runs from the 7th month 2020 and is the current shape. It has a 4JJ3 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 4JJ3 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight. Left rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Aftermarket tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has multiple dents. Right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 large dents and 2 small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.